What is escrow in a real estate transaction? A legal process where a neutral third party holds funds and documents until closing. What does the term home equity refer to in real estate? The difference between the market value of a property and the amount owed on the mortgage. What is a contingent offer in a real estate transaction? An offer that depends on certain conditions being met, such as the sale of the buyer's current home. What does the term appraise mean in real estate? An estimate of a property's market value by a licensed appraiser. What is a lease option in real estate? A type of lease agreement where the tenant has the option to purchase the property at the end of the lease term.